bombastic side-eye, criminal offensive side-eye.
Natibo ang
Hello, my name is Badhriyatin. I'm from EE class, and I want to make a tutorial about how to make a flat